guys! Today we're going to do a double coloring. First we'll do highlights with a root stretch and then tone it to a darker shade. What are we working with? The hair at the roots is about level 5, 5.0 or 5.1 with a slightly cool tone. Then there's the previous color with remnants at about level 8 or 7. Why do I say level 8 or 7 and not specify exactly? Because in some places, yes, at the start of the transition it's level 7 and then it becomes level 8. And along the length, there's frequent highlighting that was toned and has since washed out. We need to lift the lighter hair, meaning do highlights with a stretch closer to the roots, so that the overall tone is as close as possible to level 8, and then tone the entire length in a shade that will be slightly darker than what we have now, but in a more sandy and cooler direction. Well, we finished the coloring. We've achieved a beautifully soft and gradual transition from the roots with very fine, delicate highlights. However, the highlights are slightly tinted, meaning they've been darkened a bit. Moreover, we've achieved a cool, sandy shade, just as we planned, and the lightened hair has become cooler, while the rest of the hair has become lighter with a sandy sheen in a cool tone. First, we did fine highlights using Blonde Me powder with a 6% developer, and we applied it with a root stretch technique. After that, we removed the foil, washed out the color, dried the hair, and then toned it on dry hair. For the main toning color, we chose 9.5-49 Igora Royal from Schwarzkopf Professional. To achieve an anti-yellow effect, we added 9.5-1. But since the client wanted the highlights to be less light than last time, we decided to darken them and added 846, a beige chocolate shade. To achieve this exact color, I used 9.5-49, 3 parts 9.5-1, 2 parts, and 846, 1 part. The mixing ratio with the developer is always indicated on the packaging, 1:1. And as you can understand, since we were working on darkening the overall section, we didn't need a high percentage of developer, so we used 3%. This is a winter version of highlighting with toning and root stretch, which allows you to slightly lighten the root area at level 5 and slightly darken the light highlighted hair along the length. Everything we wanted, we achieved. The hair is beautiful, well groomed, and we are happy.